Union of Associations of Manipur Writers has started providing relief materials at relief camps set up in the valley of Manipur due to the violence in the state. Union of Associations of Manipur Writers, 𝐿𝐼𝐏𝐻𝐒 𝐼𝐓𝐄𝐑𝐒 and manipuri 𝐌𝐀𝐍𝐈𝐏𝐄𝐑𝐒 Association Bangalore jointly distributed these at the relief centers at Rice Research Station and Lamding Higher Secondary School in Thobal District and Kalyan Ashram and Kaching Indoor Stadium, Kaching District. Vice Presidents of Union of Associations of Manipur Writers Sarath Thiam, S.H. Prahlad Sharma, General Secretary Rakesh Naurem, Executive Member Khetrimium Subhadani, Member Dr. Uma Mayengbam and other members and advisor of Manipuri 𝐿𝐼𝐏𝐻𝐒 Association Bangalore Soibam Social attended the distribution program. Speaking on the sidelines, Sarachand Thiam said the assistance is being extended to uplift the morale of the inmates. Many others also spoke their minds on the occasion.
Association lay haiba akun belum sigi koi lembi relief akun maki mai kai ni mai akun kai ko cheri han bada koi yamna laiba thiba thugo thamada akun masi mayo ngare yum de nuaina tumna leiga doba nuaina koi se chatna degi thobai ngangi tawdo kun ma ko loina ma thaduoga matamna amasung amangam da banu mapam se yore koi loina ba khangi usi action koi pai ro su maki bahum de nom halakani channa phani yamna lamna thabu su mo su numidang wai kanda sangara ko matana mahana maki sangona ru thona la
manipuri 𝐿𝐼𝐏𝐻𝐒 Association Bangalore ani si kusam naraga laksabani ekhoina manjaba kharadang akhi khudol oina pina naba hairibasi mafam asi thakna nana atopa mafam kaya ma su chatkadori hayeng su yamna chatkadori aduna ekhoina haine home sweet home aina yumdagi hena nungsibase atai ama phol leiki phanayam migi pura dolanda leirosu ekhoina lam chatpada nungairaba adumba building mathon tara kunwa baduda leirosu aigi yumjin na kupado madu tawunsi kenongai yodage takai chaluga halakpadudi yom manang aduna ne home sweet home aina haise yumdagi henba amata leiki